Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
This is one of the finest question asked in 2017. Okay, in 2017 most of the questions are related to only schemes. Okay, so more of factual data they ask. Okay, this question is all about the Vidyanjali Yojana. Okay, so you have to know about what is Vidyanjali. Okay, so Vidyanjali is the amalgamation of the word Vidya, meaning correct knowledge. Okay, clarity in the knowledge. Okay, so Vidya means it is not just a knowledge. Okay, it's the clarity in the knowledge. Okay, so next is Anjali, means offering with both hands. Okay, it is a Sanskrit language. Okay, so Vidyanjali is an initiative taken by the Ministry of Education. Okay, so it is Ministry of Education. Okay, Ministry of Education with the aim to strengthen the school through the community and the private sector involvement in schools across the country. Okay, see, there are many government schools and the government aided schools. Okay, but the major issue with the government schools and the government aided school is there is a lack of creative education. Okay, so there is a certain lacuna in providing the creative education or innovative way of teaching towards the students. Okay, so there are certain issues. Okay, to overcome these issues, they created a new yojana or a scheme called as this Vidyanjali Yojana. Okay, so what this yojana is going to do is, or else this scheme is going to do is, actually they are going to incorporate the voluntaries from the outside premises of the schools. Okay, and they are what that outside premises, the person who are coming from the outside premises are the voluntaries. What they are going to do is they are going to give certain ideas, or else they are going to teach the students in a more innovative or creative way. Okay, so that will enhances the students to be more active in the schools. Okay, that is also useful for the students to get the knowledge from outside the premises also. Okay, so for that only they created this Vidyanjali. Okay, so it is all about aim to strengthen the school through community and private sector involvement in the school across the country. Okay, so the initiative would connect the schools with varied voluntaries from the Indian diaspora. Okay, namely young professionals. Okay, school alumni, in service or in retired teachers, government officials, professional and many others. Okay, so these are the things they are going to do. Okay, so Vidyanjali, which is being implemented under the overall aegis of the Samagra Shiksha, will enhances the community involvement in the government school and effectively engages the children in reading and creative writing, public speaking, play acting, preparing storybooks. Okay, so the voluntary can register for free by visiting through the mobile apps. Okay, the program is unique, which gives the freedom to the volunteers to design their activities in consulting with the schools. Okay, so these are the things about the Vidyanjali Yojana. Okay, so it is one of the finest way of attracting the students to be more active in their schools. Okay, so if there is a monotonous method we are following, means the eagerness to learn lot more things will be degraded. Okay, to address this only they created this method. So it is one of the finest method. Okay, so then we are going to look into the question. Okay, so what is the purpose of the Vidyanjali Yojana? Okay, first, to enable the famous foreign educational institutions to open their campus in India. Okay, so you can, even though if you don't know about what is Vidyanjali Yojana, you can eliminate easily the first statement. Consider that famous foreign educational institutions like Harvard, okay, or Stanford or Oxford. Okay, so these are the famous foreign educational institutions. Okay, why they are being famous is because of their infrastructures. Okay, and their administrative models. Okay, and their rules and laws of their nation. Okay, so these are the reasons they become a famous foreign educational institution. How they are getting into the India, and they how they can adapt to the Indian rules, and they are going to make this famous education institutions to operate within India. It is irrelevant, no. Okay, the thing is, they are being famous because they have certain infrastructure, they have certain administrative models that is adapted to their countries only. Okay, which is not possible in India because we have various other structures within India. We are providing reservations in education systems. Okay, so there are complicated system we are following it. We can't say that by just pulling these institutions into India, we can make changes in the education system of India. Okay, so by that itself you can eliminate the first statement. Okay, then the second statement is to increase the quality of education provided in the government school by taking help from the private sectors and community. This is the thing. Okay, then the third statement, to encourage the voluntary monetary contribution. So Vidyanjali is not at all related to any monetary contribution. Okay, from the private and private individuals and organizations, so as to improve the infrastructure facility for primary and secondary schools. This is totally irrelevant. Okay, so the answer is A, 2 only. Okay, that's it. Thank you.